This is two different variations of the Zoid utility knife. Let's go over both of them. First, we'll start with the non-folding one. The non-folding one has a nice grippy, thick handle. I like this little piece right here, which gives you that grip when you're actually cutting. And then it does have the sliding up blade just right here. Very, very nice. The blades are very easy to change. There's just a little button right here. So you just press that little button, the blade will just slide back out. And then if we just push it back in and it locks right into place very, very nicely. We'll close it down. And then there is a way where you can store blades inside of the handle itself. So we just flip it right over. And right here, there's a little button. We just press this button right down. And then we just open this up, and there's two blades that you can have that store right in here. So you can have two extra blades. So when your blades are dull, you can just replace them. And if we just close that and then just lock it right back up, and then you are good to go. It also does have this little clip piece right here. So if you want to clip it onto your belt or wherever you want to, you can do so. But overall, it's a great, great knife. Really like the quality of it. Let's switch over to the folding one right here. So folding one right here has this little button and that little button, and you can just fold right out and snap. It also does have that little grippy piece right here. There's also this little piece right here you can use to cut wire or small little things. It'll grip right into there. And the top right here has a little pressure point right here, so you can grip it down to pressure point, which is really nice. Blade itself, very easy to change, same thing. So it's just got this button right here. You just push that button out. Same thing, you just put it right back in and just slide it right back, and it locks right into place. And if you want to close it, you can just press that button and then just close it, and it closes very, very nicely. It has a little belt clip on the top right here, and then it doesn't have the clickable like loop thing, so it's a fully closed loop right here to attach to something. But this one also does have blades that it stores inside, which is really nice. So if we look right on the inside right here, there's this little piece right here, which you can just pull right open, and that will store one additional blade, just one additional blade in there, and you can close that up and that locks into place. So you can see how it sits in there very, very nicely. We'll close the blade right up, and you can see the size of the non-folding one is quite a bit bigger. So you can see how the folding one is smaller, but the folding one also doesn't have that like super grip, which this one does, but it's kind of what you want. Do you want the convenience of the small one, or do you want the super grip and thicker one? So you decide which one you want, but two amazing utility knives. I highly recommend both of them.